Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Wells Fargo accounts in 2025. Adding this extra layer of security is a smart move to protect your personal and financial information. To get started, sign into your Wells Fargo account through the Wells Fargo online banking portal or the Wells Fargo mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Security Center. Here, you'll find the option to activate two-step verification at sign-on, which is a Wells Fargo version of two-factor authentication. When you enable this feature, you will be prompted to enter an access code in addition to your username and password. This code can be sent to you via push notifications. Receive the code through the Wells Fargo mobile app, text SMS. To get codes into your mobile phone. Email. Have the code delivered to your email address. A phone call. Receive the code through automated voice call. And the last one is RSA Secure ID device. It's a physical device that generates a unique code every 60 seconds. To ensure you receive these codes, make sure your contact information is up to date. You can verify or update your mobile number by signing into the update contact information. Once you've selected your preferred method and confirmed your contact details, Wells Fargo will send you a one-time access code the next time you sign in. Enter this code to complete the activation process. If you're traveling internationally, consider using RSA Secure device, as some form details communication may not be available aboard. And thanks for watching. If this helps you secure your Wells Fargo account with two-factor authentication, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more security tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.